It's not too much of me, Thomas Key Ride. I'm going to put this again on Visitor's Day 2 on my camcorder. This one's unfortunately still mute. From Arch Mitchell in 905. Yeah. The office is Day 2, so yeah. Because why not today? But this one's unfortunately still mute. For some reason. Office is in a hotel, that's why. Yeah, I moved it a little bit. You can see it better. You can see the Arch Pro better. There it is over there. You can see it better with my camcorder. Thomas's face. He's got a cheeky face there. See? By the way, the flashing on the front light still works. Not to be confused with the eyebrows when the Arch Mitchell comes as well, you can see. Not to be really confused. And also me and Thomas Key Robert Arch Mitchell. I revisited it in Day 2.